In this video, I'm going to show you how to message on LinkedIn. Now, click on your LinkedIn profile, right? Let's say if you love to message, let me say your friend, right? So I'm going to click on it. Click on it. Click on it, right? Just come on here. What you type in, you can just type in, hey, friend, right? You can search the person you want to type to, right? Let me say, click on it, right? So this is what you're going to do. So you're going to get it, right? So this is what you're going to do. So get it. I recommend you do that, right? So as you're able to message people here on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video. Remember what I said you should do. Just click on this message, right? Then you're going to get this, right? So I recommend you to do this, right? So do this so as you're going to be able to use this for yourself. I'll see you on the next video.